So hey guys, this is Sandeep Sharma and today I'm gonna show you how to stabilize your Shaky video footage inside the Premiere Pro. So currently I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. You can use the same method in any other Premiere Pro, that is 2019 edition or 2020. So here I have two video clips. Here is the one and here is the another one. Let's play this without any video stabilization. Okay, let's go. Let me mute the audio. Okay. See, it's a little bit shaky, right? Let's go to the another clip. Yeah, it's shaky, right? So what we do is we go to the search bar, effects control. We will select effects and we will type here warp. So here it is, warp stabilizer VFX. So we just have to keep it onto the clip, drag it onto the clip. So here it is stabilizing, analyzing in the background, and we just select it and go to the effects control, and here it is stabilizing. So here it is stabilizing 17%, 18%, frame 32, 35. So the smoothness is 50%, so I will just keep that 5%. Okay, so it's analyzing in the background. Let's wait for that. Yeah, so it has been stabilized. Okay, so for a smooth playback, just we have to render it first. So click it and go to the sequence and render selection. Okay, so it's rendering. Alright, so it has been rendered. So let's play from the beginning. See, it's smooth, right? Okay, let's play it again. Yeah, it's very smooth than before. Okay, let's do the same thing in another clip. So warp stabilizer VFX, drag it onto the clip, and I will keep the smoothness 5%. You can keep the value whatever you want as your will. So I'll just give it 5%. So it's been so it is analyzing in the background. Okay, so let's wait again. Yeah, so it's done. And for the smooth playback, just select this and go to the sequence, render selection. Okay, yeah, it's done now. So let's play this. See, so smooth. Yeah, so this is the fastest and quickest way to stabilize any of your Shaky video footage. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.